Hey guys, so today I'm going to be tasting Korean corn dog for the first time in iChop. So I wanted to order whole cheese with a potato crust, but there's no potato crust, so that's kind of sad. So today I'm going to be tasting it. Let's go.
They have to go.
Alright, the bread is crunchy and the cheese is very very cheesy. So I'm gonna have to give this a 9 out of 10, and the sausage is really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do enjoy, I hope you guys like and pretty much smash the subscribe button. Peace out.